Good morning, families. This is going to be a very short video, but a very important video. I'm going to explain to you how to use EdPuzzle. I really hope to use EdPuzzle almost every day going forward. It's extremely helpful. So this is how to log into EdPuzzle. Please reach out to me with any questions. This is extremely simple. Okay, so your student is going to just simply type in EdPuzzle. EdPuzzle is a website. We're going to go to edpuzzle.com. Very simple. Once you are at edpuzzle.com, if you have never signed in, this is going to be the page that pops up. Alright, so we're going to go up to, we're not going to sign up. We don't need to sign up. We just can log in. Obviously, you're going to click login. I'm a student. And you are not going to log in using this information. Absolutely not. Scroll down a little bit and you're going to hit sign in with Google. Now, I've already done this with a student account. So when I hit sign in with Google, it's going to automatically sign in. If you have not done it yet, it's going to ask you to enter your North Penn student account and North Penn password for Google. I think this is going to automatically do it because I'm already signed in as a student. So I'm going to hit sign in with Google down here. And that little box that popped up, that's where you would type in your North Penn student account and North Penn password. Once you log in with that, it's going to automatically pop you right into the classroom directly to this page. So this is extremely easy. You're already in my math period 1. Some people have science for my other students, but you're already in this class just by logging into Google. This is the assignment for today. As we continue to do this, these assignments are going to pile up, and I'm going to work out a way to to organize them. But it's really easy. You're using your student North Penn account. Please email me with any questions. This is an extremely valuable resource for me and your child. Yeah, please reach out and let me know.